Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a Toyota Tacoma owner looking to enhance your vehicle's illumination, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of headlights to help you find the best ones for your Tacoma. Let's shed some light on this topic. Number 1. G+ headlights, the ultimate game changer for your Toyota Tacoma. These headlights are more than just an upgrade, they're a statement. With their sleek design and blazing brightness, your Tacoma will turn heads on and off the road. Installation was a breeze, and the fit is flawless. The road ahead has never looked clearer, thanks to the crystal clear illumination these headlights provide. Whether you're cruising the city streets or conquering rugged terrain, the G+ headlights are your trusty sidekick. Elevate your Tacoma's style and safety with these headlights. It's a must-have for any Tacoma enthusiast. Don't just drive, shine with G+. Number 2. Acanii, the game changer for Toyota Tacoma enthusiasts. These Acanii headlights are an absolute must-have for your Tacoma, elevating your ride to a whole new level. With their sleek design and ultra-bright illumination, they turn heads day and night. Installation is a breeze, making your ride look like a custom job without the hefty price tag. The quality is top-notch, ensuring they'll withstand the toughest adventures. Acanii headlights are the perfect blend of style and functionality, giving your Tacoma that distinctive edge on the road. Say goodbye to ordinary and embrace extraordinary with Acanii. Upgrade today. Number 3. Acan headlights, the game changer for your Toyota Tacoma. Glowing star. Revamp your ride with these stunning Acan headlights that are tailor-made for the Tacoma. They're not just headlights, they're a statement. Picture yourself cruising the streets, turning heads with these sleek, modern marvels. The crystal clear lenses and vibrant LEDs not only boost visibility but also enhance your truck's overall aesthetics. Installation is a breeze, so you can transform your ride in no time. Say goodbye to dull drives and hello to a bold, brilliant Tacoma experience. Acan headlights, where style meets functionality. Number 4. Curated headlights, the ultimate game changer for your Toyota Tacoma. Fire, these bad boys aren't just headlights, they're a headlight revolution. Prepare to be dazzled by the stunning clarity and razor-sharp brightness they bring to your night drives. Installing them was a breeze, and the fit on my Tacoma? Perfecto. The road ahead has never looked this crisp, ensuring safety and style go hand in hand. With curated, you'll outshine the rest and transform your ride into a head-turning masterpiece. Say goodbye to dull nights and hello to adventure with curated headlights, lighting your way like never before. Number 5. Shankenyo headlights, the ultimate upgrade for your Toyota Tacoma. Fire, these headlights are a game changer, offering a sleek and modern design that instantly enhances your truck's style. But it's not just about looks, these headlights provide exceptional brightness and clarity on the road, ensuring safer nighttime driving. Installation is a breeze, and they're tailor-made for your Tacoma, guaranteeing a perfect fit. Say goodbye to dull and outdated lights. Shankenyo headlights will make your Tacoma stand out from the crowd and light up your adventures like never before. Upgrade today and experience the road like never before. In conclusion, selecting the best headlights for your Toyota Tacoma is crucial for safety and style. We've explored a range of options in this video, from brightness to durability. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision to enhance your Tacoma's lighting performance.